Okay, so we are going to be starting our Vortex project, and our focus for this project is going to be the illusion of form, and a form is a three-dimensional object. So in this case, it's the illusion of a three-dimensional sphere, or in this case, there's 9 of them, okay? It's also, our other project focus is going to be the illusion of space and the illusion of movement, okay? When we talk about space in art, which is one of our elements, we're talking about space between objects or space that's created in a piece of artwork. I'm not talking about blank space. I'm talking about the illusion of space between objects. So for example, I mean that this sphere looks like it's in front of this sphere. So there would be 2 spheres, one in front of the other. The illusion of space between these 2 spheres is what we're trying to create here, okay? Same here. This is another place where spheres are overlapping to create the illusion of space, okay? Another way that this project creates the illusion of space is we are trying as artists to make it seem like this part of the vortex is closer to the viewer than that part, this part way down deep inside the vortex, okay? So this checkerboard is what I'm gonna call it, looks like that this vortex is closer, the opening of the vortex is closer to the viewer than the deepest part of the vortex. So in that way, we're creating the illusion of space between the viewer and the deepest part of the vortex, okay? And that is all created by the way we draw things. Now, so far I've said to you that we're creating the illusion of form, three-dimensional spheres, the illusion of space between objects, and also the illusion of space between the viewer and other things in the art. And now I'm going to talk to you about the illusion of movement, okay? 3 focuses here: form, space, and movement. The illusion of movement is also created by the drawing of the spheres, okay? That is created by the sizes that we choose to make the spheres and also the placement, okay? So we want to make it seem like these spheres are popping out of the vortex and toward the viewer. So in this case, it seems like these spheres are coming from way down deep inside the vortex. Or depending on your point of view, it might look like they're moving down inside the vortex. Either way is okay, because either way, we're talking about the illusion of movement, okay? Now, I'm going to post, each day I'm going to post one phase of the project. We're going to do one phase at a time together, okay? The part I need you to know on the rubric that is very important is that each day when you do a phase, you have to upload your work to me as usual, okay? I'm not going to give you a grade each day. I'm going to grade you at the very end of this project. However, you still must upload your progress for each phase at the end of the day that it was due on time in order to get those points, okay? Each phase must be completed on the day that it's assigned and uploaded on the day that it's assigned, okay? That's worth 4 out of the 25 points of this project, okay? Okay. Now, today we're going to be doing phase 1. Phase 1, the requirement is that all of your lines, and I'll show you this in the next video, and all of your X's are drawn lightly. That's going to be worth 3 points out of the 25. I'm talking about these lines that create the checkerboard. I'm talking about the lines that create the curved part of the checkerboard, okay? The other requirement is that the curved lines in the checkerboard meet properly as described in the next video, okay? That means this line here curves and meets this line properly. This line meets this line. You'll see it better when it's just in pencil. Okay, I'll meet you at the next video.